Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Phoenix. I'm Alexis and today I'm going to show you how to pay a super low amount out of pocket for some really useful household and personal care items from Dollar General. These Dollar General couponing deals will be valid on Saturday, May 8th during the store's weekly 5 off of 25 promotion. There are a few paper coupons required, however all the deals are super easy and beginner friendly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this week's deals. I usually save the gain deals till later on in the video, but what the heck, I'm feeling crazy today. Let's just go for it. We're going to start out by purchasing 2 of the Febreze plugs that are gain scented. These are $5 a piece, so $10 for both. And we have a $5 off digital coupon on those. But wait, you're also going to purchase 2 more of the Febreze gain plugs. These are, again, $5 a piece, so $10 for both. And we have a similar $5 off when you purchase 2 paper coupon from the April P&G newspaper insert. So right there, you're looking at $10 off with the digital coupon and the paper coupon. So that's a whole lot of savings already. Grab 2 bags of the Gain Flings that are 14 count. You have $1 off digital coupon on one, and you have a paper coupon on the other, also worth $1 from the P&G insert as well. We're also going to pick up 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquid. These are $2 a piece. So $4 for both, and we have a $1 off digital coupon for one of them, and we have a $1 off paper coupon, again from the April P&G insert on the other one, so $2 in savings there. Make sure that you have your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped and your $5 off of 30 coupon, so make sure you have both of those $5. Your subtotal before anything comes off should be $31.90 at the register. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25, your 5 off of 30 come off, you're looking at your out-of-pocket cost will come to $7.90 plus tax for 8 items or 98 cents each. And I can't even remember the last time we got Gain for 98 cents. So that is a great deal. This next deal is going to be great for any of you guys who like to garden. And I might do this deal this weekend. I don't know. I still haven't decided if I'm going to put any plants out this year. Our yard is really shady, so it doesn't work out well. But you can get a couple of good gardening items here for a low price if we work it right. So start by picking up one of the Playtex Sport tampons. These are $3.50 and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making that just $1.50. Oh, and this is an all digital deal, by the way, this second transaction here. Also pick up one of the Miracle Grow potting mix. These are $5 and we have a $2 off digital coupon on this. You can also grab one of the Miracle Grow plant foods for $6, and again, we have a $2 digital coupon on that as well. Next, pick up a bottle of the Jergens lotion for $3.50 and use the $1.50 digital coupon on that. And you can also grab some Tide Pods for $4.95 and use the $2 paper coupon from the P&G insert. Last but not least, pick up one of the Skintimate razors. These are $6 and we have a $4 off digital coupon, and that's going to complete this transaction. Your subtotal is going to come to $28.95. And after all your coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $10.45 plus tax for 6 items or $1.74 each. And $1.74 for those gardening products is pretty good. Okay, so for this third transaction here, you're only going to need 1 paper coupon, and then you can print 1 coupon from coupons.com. If you do so using the link in the description box down below, we would really appreciate it. It does help support this channel and allows us to continue bringing you the best deals ever. So start by picking up 1 Bic multi-purpose lighter. These are $3.25 this week, and we have a $2 off digital coupon on that, making it just $1.25. You're also going to pick up one of the Glad Clorox trash bags for $5 and use the $1 internet printable, like I said, from coupons.com, making it just $4. And these are really the highlight of the deal. We don't get good coupons for trash bags very often, so I like making sure that we get them cheap. Next, pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These are $6, $3 for each, and we have a $2 off of 6 store digital coupon. And we also have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon from the manufacturer. So those do stack together. So that's going to be $5 off of 6. Next, pick up one of the Downy April Fresh Fabric Softener Dryer Sheets. These are the 34 count for $2. And we have a $2 off digital coupon on those, so those will be absolutely free. We'll also pick up 2 of the Febreze car products. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we're going to use the $3 off paper coupon from the April P&G insert in the newspaper. If you don't have this paper coupon for some reason, you could swap out the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. Those I think are $3.50 a piece, so you'd pay $7 instead of $6, and there is about a half off coupon somewhere in your account. So hopefully, you know, if you don't have the Febreze coupon, you could try that instead and pay a little extra. Next, pick up the Cascade dish pods for $4.50 and use the $1 off digital coupon on those. Make sure your 5 off of 25 is clipped as always, and your subtotal is going to come to $25.75. And your out-of-pocket cost is going to be $6.75 after all your coupons, plus tax for 8 items, or 84 cents a piece. And that is a great, great deal, especially on trash bags. Very practical, very useful. But I'm also going to show you how to do this deal even cheaper, like really cheap. And this is going to be a little more of a fun deal, not quite as practical as getting dish pods and trash bags and such, but it's going to be fun nonetheless. Okay, so for this last transaction, what I'm calling the fun deal, you're going to start by picking up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner like we did in the last one. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we have that $2 off of 6 store coupon and that $3 off of 2 digital coupons. So those are going to stack, taking $5 off of the $6 shampoo and conditioner. You're also going to pick up 2 of the American greeting cards. These are $1 a piece, so $2 for both. And we have a buy one, get one free digital coupon as well. Also, we're going to pick up 1 bag of the Halls cough drops. This is the 30 count for $1.95, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making them just 95 cents. Make sure you include the 1 Downy April Fresh Fabric Softener Dryer Sheets for 34 count. For $2 and use that $2 off digital coupon to make those free. Next, pick up 1 of the Schick razors for $4.50 and use the $3 off digital coupon, making it just $1.50. You're also going to want to pick up 1 of the CoverGirl eye pencils for $4.50 and use the $3 off digital coupon on that. And last but not least, the Old Spice body wash for $4.50. We do have a $5 off digital coupon on this body wash, making it actually a 50-cent moneymaker, which is really great. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do this deal as I only got 1 of these coupons in one of my accounts, and I did use it last weekend for the live video, so I won't be able to do this unfortunately, but I will still be doing some Dollar General shopping this weekend. So this all will come to $25.45, and again, make sure you have that 5 off 25 coupon clipped. And then after all these coupons come off, and remember this is all digital, no paper coupons required, your out-of-pocket cost, which is ridiculous, is going to come to 45 cents plus tax for 9 items, or 5 cents each. Nickel prices. You got some nickels lying around that you want to spend, because this is the way to do it. I'm just kidding, guys, but seriously, this is a great deal. You know, even if you don't need cough drops or something like that right now, it's still a heck of a deal, you know, and is really fun to do, especially if you're a new couponer. I really like deals like this that are beginner friendly, all digital, you know, no real complicated situations and scenarios that you have to worry about, and it just feels like you're getting a lot for your money. So this should be really exciting if you want to try this one this weekend. So I want to hear from you guys. Which deal has got you the most excited this week? Is it the super cheap gain? Is it the really practically priced trash bags? Or is it the 45 cents for 9 items? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for shopping these Dollar General couponing deals with me today. If you learned something from this video, please leave us a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button right below this video and ding the bell so you don't miss out on more sweet Dollar General deals like this. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye guys!